How to change skin color in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will find all these lists pop up. Click on Avatar. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Head and Body. In here, click on Skin Tone. Then you will find all these different kind of skin tone. Simply click on one color to choose your shade. After you've done that, you can simply reload the page and you're good to go. This is how to change skin color in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.